Good morning, good morning. This is Teacher the Diva, and I'm coming at you with another video. It is so cold. I don't know if you guys can see my breath or not, but I just wanted to show you guys, even though some of that snowflock got on my porch, you can see where it was. There's none. So I just took the hose and sprayed it, and it's gone. That you see is white spray paint because that's where I usually do my spray painting. But yeah, I had the tree right over here, and as you can see, no flock, no flock, no flock. All right, so it was easy peasy cleanup, and that's what I did. I just um, I just hosed it off. Came right off. I washed my hands. It came right off. My tree is beautiful. Pardon the... I did end up spraying, not spraying, but adding glitter last night. When I brought it in, it was still like damp and sticky. But to my surprise, none of the flock fell off. So as you can see, I added the white opulent glitter to it last night while it was still sticky. Now I do see a little bit of the glitter on the floor, just a wee little bit, as you can see, but that is how my tree turned out. It is completely dry now. Completely dry. Completely. So, yeah. But, yeah, I was worried to see if you'd be able to see the glitter or not, but it is glistening, honey. It is glistening. So, I just wanted to show you guys, and there's just that wee little bit of glitter that comes off, but it's completely dry, and I couldn't be happier with my tree. I'm so glad how it turned out. Like I said, I wanted it super flocked, but you can still see green. You know, the green is peeking out there in certain spots, just like I wanted, but it's super flocked. You know, but I can still, you know, go in and adjust the branches and whatnot. Yep, that would be it, honey. That's all I did was I added the glitter because it was still sticky. So I found my glitter, so I was happy with that. You know, it had rolled out the bag, so it was um, under one of my seats in my car. So I'm glad I found that, and that's it. That's it. Just a quick video on the tree. I'm loving how it turned out. Those 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 reefs really did fill out the tree. I'm happy with that. You don't see any spaces except for like right in there, but you can't really tell because of the reefs that filled it out. I can't remember the lady I got that from, but I am so thankful. And once I find out, I think I got to go through my history. Once I find out who she is, I will be letting you guys know because that was a genius idea and it saved a lot of money. And like I told you, I went to the Salvation Army Superstore in West Mifflin, Pennsylvania, and I got, because I used to work there, so I know everybody there, and that's the store I'm a regular at. But $1.99 for my reefs. $1.99 for my reefs. So, yeah. But I just wanted to show you guys how nice and opulent. And, you know, I know when I put my lights in there and those lights hit that glitter and that flock, it is going to be amazing. Amazeballs. So, yeah. Thank you all for your suggestions on flocking. Thank you for your videos. Thank you for your support. Click the like and subscribe button, please. Yeah, but the flock did come off my hands really easy, just soap and water. I sprayed my porch with whatever came off of the drop cloth. Another thing, for the drop cloth, my honey had got me really cheap drop cloth, and a lot of it. Don't use that. I would use something like a shower liner. It's thick, durable, yeah, so no. And the flock washed off my clothes amazingly too. So I didn't give it a chance to dry to find out if when dried it would come off. As soon as I got done, I took my clothes off and my shoes and put them in the washer, and they're good to go. So just, you know, it creates massive mess. But I got done quickly. I used the garden hose instead of the spray bottle. It worked amazingly. I didn't sift because I wanted a heavier flock and I wasn't going to be there all day doing it. Your girl had to work. And I just used the spray nozzle and old grits container. Honey, it got the job done. It's beautiful. My family is happy. I even had neighbors coming over to because they see me doing it outside. They wanted to see how it turned out. And that's another thing. Now, I bought that on Amazon. It's pre-seasoned snow flock, self-adhesive, super sticky. 55 something. So I'm just going to say $56. But if you have a friend or neighbor who is interested in doing the same thing and flocking some items, you guys can split that cost and it could be even cheaper. See, I bought the 25-pound bag, but they do have the 1-pound bag, they have the 2-pound bag, and they have the 5-pound bag also. So you wouldn't have to, you know, but I think the 5-pound bag is something like maybe $37. So to me, buying the 25-pound bag was more economical. But, you know, if you got some girlfriends and you all guys want to flock, have a flocking party, honey. Split that cost and it becomes an even cheaper expense. So, yeah, just wanted to throw that out there. But please click that like and subscribe button. And if you feel so inclined, hit that notification button so that you guys can be notified every time I upload a video. I love you guys to life. I love that you guys are supporting me. Please keep supporting and share my videos with the rest of the community, please. And thank you. This is Deja the Diva. And walk blessed, talk blessed, act blessed, and be a blessing to the Lord by blessing somebody else. Thank you. Peace out.